Let's find the implied domain of the given function. F of x is equal to x plus 1 over 8 minus x. Okay, remember, we're looking at a number line to represent all those x values that are potential x values to be plugged into the function. Okay, and I want to check for any restrictions, any numbers I cannot plug in. Okay, and since I see that this is a fraction, I want to focus in on the denominator. Okay, at the bottom right here, 8 minus x. Remember, the denominator cannot equal 0. Okay, so what I want to do is solve this equation to figure out whether or not, or figure out which x value would give me 0. Okay, so 8 minus x equals 0, right? That's this. I don't want that to equal 0. So I solve this equation, I add x to both sides, and I find that if x is 8, then the denominator would equal 0. Right? Is that true? If f was 8, I would get 8 plus 1 on the top is 9. 8 minus 8 on the bottom is 0, right? So 8 is a restriction. Cannot have it. Okay, so that breaks my domain into two parts, right? We have a section that is smaller than 8 and a section that is bigger than 8. I need to write out these two intervals, so that's going to be negative infinity to 8, close parenthesis, union 8 to positive infinity, close parenthesis. Okay, those two intervals, the union of those two, represents my domain.